Finally, the day has arrived when I finally decide to clean my phone. Thank goodness. I've got like some 60 apps or something throughout the whole phone. I'm not gonna go to this site, so I'm just gonna stick with these apps because now, one, my phone is terribly slow, and two, I don't even use 3/4 of the apps in here, so it's just simply taking up all the space like existing in my phone. So I think I should delete like a lot of them because I barely use more than 5 or 6 of these. So let's start. First of all, lyric notepad. I do like writing all my, I do write a couple of songs, now and then, sporadic basketball stuff, starting poetic stuff, See, you want to delete sample. I don't even know what sample is, so yes. This is permanent, are you sure? Yes. 7-day discount. Nope. Am I gonna write a song on this? Okay. This is so boring. I don't even know why I downloaded this in the first place, so I'm gonna delete it. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, before that, let me just count how many apps I have in the beginning. So this is 3, 3 is 9. And 9 into 1, 2, 3, 4. 9 4 is 36, I guess. Yeah, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46. 47, 48, 49, 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 60. 66 apps. And that's more than 60. 66, 70, 74, 75, 75. Okay, that's 75 apps that I'm planning to delete. And let's hope how many will end up in the. Let's hope I just get rid of at least half of them. Okay, so first, 75 apps. First, this one goes. Delete. Next, these two don't count as apps, they're default things in the phone, so. What's Lingo, dear? Ah, it's a language thing. There I downloaded ones and I haven't even done one of these, so let it stay, What else? WordPress. Okay, that's like. And Harry Potter. Playbooks. This goes here because this goes here. Oh god, how terrible is it? Everything's just moving together. Oh god. Please don't unsubscribe already because, I'm pretty sure everyone relates to all this nonsense. Yeah. Next we have, Neural Nation. What is that? I don't even remember what I've downloaded. Like, whoa. Come on, load. See, I told you everything's so slow nowadays. This is supposed to be roughly a 10-minute video, so I've got to finish deleting everything within the next 5 minutes, roughly. Come on, load. Oh god. This is probably why I didn't check it in the first place. Memory. Welcome to your strength/weakness test. To create a personalized training plan, we will be testing your memory in this part of the test. Please tap the circle from the order displayed previously. Ooh. Go ahead. Load forever. Boom. Do I actually need such an app? Huh? What? Oh, am I supposed to drag them? I'm supposed to do them slowly. Da, 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 da. Okay, I started singing. Okay, this is boring me, and I'm gonna go back, and I will not delete that app for right now, and leave it there. Next, let's move on to 3 filters I've got here. Oh, by the way, my previous Oppo phone had a better camera than the new successive Oppo phones, and it really sucks. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna delete all 3 of these. I'll let them be there. So let me check SlideShare. Am I actually going to use SlideShare? God, it's so slow, it's frustrating. Boom, it's gone. I don't even need it anymore if it doesn't work. What? 3 stocks that could make huge moves this week. I don't even know what a stock is. How useful. Okay, it's practically stuck. The only reason I downloaded SlideShare is because I have made a couple of presentations for school a couple of years ago, and I just wanted to upload them online for fun. Okay, it's not even coming. I think I should delete it. Things that I definitely stay. 1, Duolingo, because I'm learning a language in that. Not 1, actually 3. Then there's Word, of course I need them if someone sends me any documents. Japanese, because Duolingo Japanese sucks. Lingodeer, I'm still considering. Vlogging, I don't vlog, by the way, but I do blog. I know this is not a promo, I did not plan to say it, but I do blog, and I'm an aspiring blogger, and I love it if you could check it out. The link to my blog is in the description. Okay, if you hated it, please don't post hate comments, because this is just something I do with pastime, and I hope will be a good way for you to pass your time as well. But it's your choice, you know. So what's topic? I don't even know what topic is. Continue learning. Vocabulary. Whoa. I can't believe I actually tried to get better at stuff. Whoa. So far 2 apps is gone, right? And Grammarly. This app is so much of, advertising. I'm pretty sure you've seen these ads. And I have never really found any good use for these except for the keyboard. I don't know. Do I really need this? Decision, yes, it's a beautiful app. Vocabulary, I need some kind of thing. Quick Translate, Battle Text, Intro, Wiki, I don't use them at all. But my family needs them, so they only count. And yes, my attempts to be more informed and less socially aloof clearly show here. My failed attempts, because Flipboard and InShorts, I don't know, I downloaded them like a couple of weeks ago, and but social media, I think I should segregate everything. I've got Twitter here, which I don't really, use a lot. Quora, yes. Somebody actually emailed me liking my Quora answers, and I'm really, really, really proud. So we're nearing at 10 minutes, and apologies because I'm going to pass the 10-minute line and maybe go on to maybe 12 minutes. Then I'm going to take out Instagram, follower analyzer. Do I really need it? I'll let it be there. And it's SoundCloud. It's a beautiful app. If you don't SoundCloud, I don't know what you're doing with your life. Blogger. Oh yeah, I blog on Blogger. It's a new blog, and I really hope you will support it, cause it'll be a great encouragement to me. It's not social media, so alright, I identified it as social. I'm proud. Social. That's it. So I deleted 2 apps. I know I'm very stingy and I don't like downloading apps a lot, and neither do I like deleting them. Thank you for spending your time with me. I really appreciate it. Thank you and have a great day.